Before the cabin crew take their positions for the safety briefing, please can we remind you, smoking including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. Personal devices should have the flight safe mode feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be stowed safely for takeoff and landing. If you lose your device in your seat, please don't move the seat and inform the cabin crew. Hand baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker so it doesn't block the aisles or exits. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. We ask for your full attention whilst we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, as they may differ from any aircraft you have flown on before. Please check your seatbelt is fastened securely and worn whenever the seatbelt signs are on. It is fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided and masks like this will appear automatically.
Vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board, and this includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for our Executive Club members to enjoy aboard today's flight. To connect to BA Wi-Fi or join the Executive Club, visit shop.ba.com where you can access free messaging and discover more offers available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note that video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you your choice of meal and drinks from the bar, and in Euro Traveller we'll be offering you a snack and a complimentary glass of water, which will then be followed by the Highlight Cafe service. If you would like to purchase from a selection of Highlight Cafe items on today's flight, please refer to the menu card in the seat pocket in front of you. We invite you now to make yourselves at home and to enjoy our hospitality. If there is anything that my team or I could do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know.
out of Arrecife, and we're still not to the coast of Spain, and I went for the cod. Salad, cheese, chocolate and salted caramel as usual, and I went for the Wild Shore Sauvignon Blanc. I nearly had an upset. I nearly went for the chicken salad, but I saw the light and decided to go for the fish.
Everyone, welcome to London Gatwick, where the local time is 11 minutes past 5 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it's safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You can now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave us today, please check that you have all of your personal belongings, including anything you may have placed in your seat area during the flight. If your journey ends here at Gatwick, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you're connecting onto another British Airways or one of our One World Alliance partner flights from Gatwick, your bags will be checked through for collection at your final destination. If you have your boarding pass or you're collecting flights, there is no need to check in, simply proceed through security. For all other connecting flights, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals before making your way to check-in. If you require any assistance here at London Gatwick, please speak to the airport ground colleagues who will be happy to help. For those customers who have already ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the area around you is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of all of us on